Hi, this is Raj, an English language trainer. English for beginners. Yes or no questions. Video 7. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy. Is she busy? Yes, she is busy. Is she busy? Yes, she is busy. Is she busy? Yes, she is busy. Is he busy? Yes, he is busy. Is he busy? Yes, he is busy. Is Ravi busy? Yes, Ravi is busy. Is Sita busy? Yes, Sita is busy. Are they busy? Yes, they are busy. Are they busy? Yes, they are busy. Are they busy? Yes, they are busy. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy. I am cooking. Is he busy? Yes, he is busy. He is studying. Is she busy? Yes, she is busy. She is planting. Are they busy? Yes, they are busy. They are eating. That's all for today. See you soon in the next class.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.